Hey there, Ryker owners. Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have a replacement forward-reverse gear shift lever for the Can-Am Ryker. Now, since the Ryker utilizes a CVT transmission, the only time you really need to use your shift lever is when you're switching between the forward and reverse gears. So since the stock pedal isn't the most visually appealing piece of equipment on the bike, we've partnered up with Chrome Accessories to design something that better fits the aggressive styling of the Ryker, which brings us to this. This replacement gear shift lever is cast from aluminum and is powder coated in a smooth satin black finish to match that aggressive styling of the Ryker body panels. Now, this new lever measures in at 3 inches long by 1 inch wide, more than doubling the surface area of the OE shift lever. You'll also notice that the lever has been integrated with non-slip rubber inlays around the entire circumference, making it super comfortable to grip with either your hand or your foot. And lastly, this sleek design completely eliminates the need for the torx screw that was used on the factory lever, providing you with a clean and polished look once installed. So to install this little beauty, make sure the pedal is in the forward position and that your e-brake is on. Then unscrew and remove this T30 torx screw. Next, grab a small screwdriver and wedge it in between the rubber end and the lever, working it around so that it breaks up the glue, and then just pull it right off. Now add a little dab of removable thread lock to the hole on the end of the lever, and twist on the new billet gear shift lever, tightening it down so that it's nice and snug without over tightening. And that's all there is to it, folks. So if you're looking for an aftermarket shift lever upgrade for your Can-Am Ryker that provides both form and function, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Ryker. I'm Brandon, signing out. Until next time.